Today's power words for your resume are devoted, dedicated. What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop, with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we are going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements. Devoted or dedicated means the person is totally, fully, completely committed to the job at hand or to the company, which means the same thing. If you're dedicated or devoted, you will make sure the company benefits from every act of yours. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says. These are mere describing words, adjectives. They tell about you and not about your action. They don't say what you did to benefit the company. How did the company profit from your devotion or dedication? So you need to back up your claim, support your claim with your achievements. See, what do you wish to say? You wish to say that you have the company's interest at heart, and all you do is for the sake of the betterment of the company. And if you leave, that's only because you have hit the ceiling and can't grow anymore. You can't give the company any more. So how to be specific? You gotta use action words. Let's look at some of the action words here. Worked, formed, created, led, etc. And then you write about the instance when your sense of dedication was appreciated by the management and you were given more challenging tasks along those lines. You say what you did and what the effect of your action was on the company. If possible, give the rupee value of the benefit that the company derived, but be careful not to divulge any classified information. Let's look at how this would appear on your resume. Created an 18-member team to make 100 cold calls per member per day with a 20 to 25% conversion rate. My regular training helped them increase this rate to over 35%. Look how it's objective. We use figures: 18 members, 100 cold calls per member per day, 20 to 25%, 35%. And then the specific information: cold calls and conversion. And what's the benefit that the company derived? High conversion rates, 35%. Now obviously I didn't give the rupee value here, but you may if you wish. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.